and clothes on the floor. Let's clean it before Christmas fun begins. Look, Santa's magic is watching us. If we clean together, Christmas will be extra special. Let's start by picking up toys. Into the box they go. Now let's sweep the floor. Wow! The dust turns into sparkly snowflakes. Let's wipe the shelves clean. These decorations will shine bright. Oh no! A silly dust bunny is hiding. Let's sweep it away. Wow! Santa is here. He came to help us decorate. Santa brought his magic bag. What's inside? Let's see. Let's hang the fairy lights together. Look how bright they shine. Let's decorate the Christmas tree.